Athletes, coaches, and sporting administrators are to benefit from an exchange program between the government of Jamaica and the People's Republic of China. A 3-year letter of exchange for a technical cooperation project on sport coaching was signed by both governments to facilitate the arrangement.
The government and people of China have agreed to send to Jamaica a team of coaches to work with 7 sporting disciplines: swimming, synchronized swimming, badminton, gymnastics, volleyball, football, and basketball. The assignment of coaches will commence in January of next year. In the first instance, the coaches will be in Jamaica for approximately 1 month. This will be the first of such programs which we will benefit from. And during the life of the project, Jamaica will send to China 138 athletes, in addition to coaches and other support personnel, where they will reside for about 2 months and will experience training and competition in China. The government of China will provide international air tickets round trip, training fees, accommodation, and meal for the Jamaican trainers, sports officials, and journalists within China. In addition, the Chinese government will be providing some training equipment for which we will facilitate entry into Jamaica. The value of this project being funded by the Chinese government is approximately $7 million United States dollars.
Under the agreement, the Jamaican government will ensure that all administrative requirements are in place for travel by the Chinese team to Jamaica.
We are expected to have a plan in place to ensure the project is effectively executed. Our special guests are well cared for and are secure. The coaches are being provided at the cost of the Chinese government.
By sharing what we have, we promote each other. I believe people are attaching great importance to sports exchanges because that is very critical to bridge the mutual understanding and friendship between people of different languages, different culture, different social values. With the signing today, I'm hopeful that early next year, these coaches will be able to come to this country to exchange and share their expertise in their respective areas with Jamaican athletes.
All these initiatives are part of a broader plan to position sport in Jamaica as one of the engines of economic growth and a tool in the fight against poverty.